Good afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Gabriel Cirodelas from STEM 11 Judgment, and I will be your reporter number 6 for number 11 and number 12. Number 11, isang small monument in Baguio, isa po sa square pyramid. Its square base has a side length of 12 meters, and each triangular face has a slant height of 15 meters. Ano ang kanyang total surface of the monument? Including po ang base. So, para po sa number 11, ang formula po natin gagamitin is a square pyramid, which is the surface, ang formula po niya is surface area is equals to b squared plus 2bn. Now, surface area is equals to 12 squared plus 2 times 12 times 15. Ang sagot po natin ay 144 plus 2 times 180. Next po ay 144 plus 360. At ang sagot po natin para po sa number 11, surface area po ng monument, ikutin po ang base ay 504 meters square. For number 2 po, for number 12, a new Taho vendor is using special boxes in the shape of a square pyramid to serve his Taho. The base of each box is a square with a side length of 8 centimeters, and the slant height of its triangular side is 10 centimeters. The vendor needs to know how much paper to use to make one box. What is the total surface area of the box? Same pa rin lagay natin formula. So, 8 squared plus 2 times 8 times 10. So, 8 squared is equals to 64. 8 times 10 is 80. So, 64 plus 2 times 80. So, next po ay 2 times 80 is equals to 160 plus 64. At ang surface area po ng total surface area po ng boxes ay 224 centimeters square. That's all. Thank you.